Come, catch me! I'm the fastest runner in the desert! Careful, Leo!
What a beautiful sunny day.
Dad, why does the sky look brown?
That's not normal.
Everyone, look up! It's coming fast!
Mom, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Stay close! Don't let go of my hand!
There's too much dust in my mouth! Here, tie this cloth tight. Hurry!
The wind is too strong!
Which way is home? I can't tell!
Wait, I hear someone! Over there!
Help us, please! Don't worry, sir. We will help you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
There! A small building! Run, everyone, run! Almost there, Grandpa. Just a little more.
We made it.
We did it together!
Look, the wind is stopping.
The storm has passed. Everyone is safe.
Dad, I understand something now.
What is it, Leo?
When something scary happens, we should stay calm and help each other.
That's exactly right, my brave boy.